2019 Ram 1500 with less than 76,000 miles on the odometer. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll enjoy first-class features that create a premium environment, such as heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, leather-wrapped steering wheel, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel. Find your dream car and drive it home today.